I asked our siblings if our dad had a last will and testament, and I was told that he did. However, I've been looking for it and I cannot find it. What happens in the state of California when you cannot find a deceased person's will? Hello again, this is Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. If you like our content and you are new here, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. A lost will scenario often occurs when a person has executed a will many years prior to their passing. What often happens is things in their property get moved around, things become cluttered and disorganized, and of course the inevitable happens. The person passes away, and now their child cannot find their original will. The probate court will require an original will to open the probate proceeding. Wills get lost, stolen, and destroyed, and even in some cases, a will is stolen by a child who has discovered they will be disinherited. If you were able to find a copy of the will, it's possible that the court may accept the copy given that you are able to prove certain aspects about the will. The following are a couple of steps you could take to locate the original will. Step one will be to conduct an extensive and thorough search of their home. Leave no box unopened. Leave no documents unreviewed. Look into the crawl space. Look into the attic of the home. Contact your loved one's friends and closest acquaintances to determine if they have knowledge of a will, original or a copy. Be sure to ask all family members if they have knowledge of an original will or a copy. Step two, if you are still unable to find the original or a copy, be sure to contact your loved one's attorney and financial advisor. Often these persons have knowledge of a person's will and or living trust. Don't forget to check with the local court to determine if someone has lodged a will with the court. Here in the state of California, a person's supposed to lodge a will within 30 days of finding out of an individual's death. After you have completed the before mentioned items and still no original will nor a copy, now it is time to contact an experienced estate planning or probate attorney in the county where your loved one lived and ask them, what can you do in order to make sure that your loved one's wishes are respected, even in light that the will has been lost. Ultimately, here in the state of California, if a will, the original will, nor a copy can be found, nor can an experienced probate attorney make some arrangement or some agreement to close the estate based on what you know about the will. If that's not possible, ultimately, the property will go to the laws of intestate succession, and all the assets will be distributed based on the probate code. Question of the day: have you ever been involved in an estate where the will was lost, missing, destroyed? What happened in your particular case? How was the probate case able to proceed and close? Let us know in the comments below. In my personal opinion, it is a good idea to let the executor of your will know where to find the original of your will, and it may be even wise to also give them a copy of that original. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to contact me. This video has been for information purposes only. This is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need an attorney, contact one. If you need an estate planning or probate attorney who's here in the Southern California area, feel free to contact me for a referral.